Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a review of two new products that I've tried, and both of these products are from Agate. If you are interested, keep watching. So I posted a poll on my Instagram that I've been trying some organic brands, and if you guys wanted to see a review, and most of you said yes. So here I am. Today I am reviewing two products by this brand called Agate. So this is an Indian brand and they make completely organic product. Let's start with the body butter. This is the ultra hydrating body butter. This is what the packaging looks like, and there's a very cute cap here in golden color. So basically this has no harsh chemical. This is paraben and silicone free. These are not tested on animals. This is 100% vegan and made in India, so that's something I really like about this. So this formula is created with the extracts of honey, potato and beetroots, wherein the honey helps in moisturization, potato helps in hyperpigmentation. I and my sister, we both have been using this for the last 2 weeks and it works like magic. I really love this. This is the consistency. I think I've poured a lot. You can see. You can see how smoothly it glides on my skin and it leaves a very soft finish. It doesn't have any sticky effect once it's dry. This can be used under your makeup as well. So this is fit for using on your body, neck and face, and I have used it today under my makeup, and I'm not kidding guys, after using this my makeup glided on very smoothly. Alright, let's talk about the fragrance of this product. This has a mild scent of potato, which I don't mind. It's not a strong fragrance, it's just a mild scent. So I like the packaging, but the only thing I feel is that instead of this cap, if there was a pump, I think it would have been more convenient to use. Let's move on to the next product now, which is the Agate Slimming Oil. Now before we get into this, let's talk about something. So this is not a miracle product guys, so this will not help you lose weight. This will help you get a toned body. If there is an area where you have fat accumulated, so this can help you tone your body and tone that part, but it's not something that you will apply and it will magically take off all your fat. So that's not going to happen. Also, just a disclaimer, if you are curvy, you are curvy. If you like it, you like it. There's no need to change yourself. I just want some parts of my body to be a little toned, and then there's no harm in wanting that. I thought this could be a good start since it does not have any chemicals. This is what the packaging looks like. I have used a little bit. It is mentioned on the packaging that the results are visible in 8 weeks. You can see it here, and it has been clinically proven. So I have used it in the thigh area and under the arms. These are like the common areas where the fat can get accumulated, and the direction to use it is very simple. You just take a little amount on your palm and just massage the desired area for I think 2 to 3 minutes until the oil gets absorbed in your skin. The first time I used this, I did feel a little tingling sensation on the surface of my skin, kind of like the sensation you get when you apply mousse for the first time. So it just happened once. After that I did not feel any tingling sensation. It just feels a little warm whenever I massage it, and I don't think I would be seeing any side effects because there are no harsh chemicals used. If you notice in this part of the packaging, they have mentioned all the natural oils that they have used, which is the cinnamon oil, fennel oil, ginger oil, caffeine, peppermint, sesame oil and castor oil. These oils, they have a lot of benefit. That is the only reason I was really excited to try this. And if you guys want, I can make an update video after using this for 8 weeks. So let me know in the comments guys if you want to see an update. So both of these products have a shelf life of 2 years, and that is something really amazing. I think this brand has some good products. I am looking forward to try more stuff from Agate. However, I feel that the packaging could have been better. That's something I think Agate can work on. Otherwise, I really like these products and I am really looking forward to this one. This was my take on products by Agate. I think they are doing a wonderful job, and if you guys want me to review any other product, just let me know in the comments down below. I have been trying some Mamaearth products as well, and I will be sharing a review soon. Let me know if you guys want to see that too, and make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care, bye.